Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirits. Anyway, my wisdom warriors, I have a sad one for drop on uno. Then me go get in at the cataclaps. A family is now mourning the death of a boy who is suspected of having drowned in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. He has been identified as 16-year-old DeAndre Garvey of Ensom City in Spanish Town. Reports indicate that around 11:40 on Monday morning, DeAndre was at a river with friends when he encountered difficulties and drowned. The police were alerted and his body was subsequently removed from the water. My wisdom warriors, boy, me I tell you no. You notice amount of teenager drown from the start of the year. Quite a few of them, Quite a few of them. Boy, it is very sad. Very, very sad. For this happen right now, you can just imagine how your mommy feel right now. Jano. DeAndre Mothers, who was unaware he had gone to the river, was informed of the situation while at work. Wanna hear them something you know? Who am I for them, my wisdom warriors, and the mother never knows, say, the mother no know none at all, saying gone a river because she did her work. You see why them always say when you have a teenage child, somebody fi always stay home with them. Them always say that, in some country, when a child a teenager, them always tell us that somebody have to always stay home. Them always say that. And me always say, so how them say somebody fi always stay home, but when the child is a teenager, I am alone go to school. Make it make sense. In some countries it's like that. You can't leave under 16, alone at home. You cannot, my wisdom warriors. You will get in a trouble. So, Jano, it's just unfortunate. It is an unfortunate situation. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Anyway, hear this. So, my wisdom warriors, Bunting come out and he is advocating for the government to reintroduce the Stay Alert app. I didn't know what was a Stay Alert app. I know so they have something called Ananda Alert. But I didn't know about the Stay Alert app. Anyway, let me read this and then me get into it. So now have a more understanding. Leader of opposition business in the Senator Peter Bunting has suggested that the government take steps to reintroduce the Stay Alert app as a means of alerting law enforcement when persons are faced with danger or emergency situations. So when I see this now, I say reintroduce the Stay Alert app. What is that? So I go do my research and this is what I gathered. The Ministry of National Security is reporting that almost 18,000 Jamaicans have so far downloaded the free Stay Alert app since the application was introduced by the ministry in 2014. A number of adjustments have been made to the digital security tool based on feedback from the public. I don't understand why the government stopped using Stay Alert app because apparently it was doing really well. It was doing really, really well because if you put in a system and you see say the system are going all right and it are do good, why you remove the system? Me not understand. I do not understand the labor right them. Why them remove a system that is going well for the Jamaican people? My wisdom warriors, something not right. This is why when we read it, and Mr. Say Peter Bunting asks for reintroduce it back. I say reintroduce it back. May I forget into this? I know what I go on. So, in 2014, my wisdom warriors, the digital security tool, which was introduced by the National Security Ministry, had a panic feature used as a direct means to contact the police. By 2016, 18,000 Jamaicans downloaded and accessed the Stay Alert app. You can imagine this started from 2014, it was implemented 2014, and by 2016, 18,000 Jamaicans downloaded it. So, you can imagine if this was still in place, and now at 2024. So why did the government remove it? Why did the government remove it? You know what? I realize that anytime the PNP then put in a lot of things, and then you have this labor right government come and change things. And when them come and change, don't make sense. Because they have the Ananda alert and it is not working. Them Ananda alert where them it that not even work, and that for kids. And it that not even what my wisdom warriors, to tell you the truth. But this is going so well. So why they remove it at that more than like for know, This is why Peter Bunting come back and tell them say for reintroduce it. Because it was working. It did do well. So what me tell you no man. And when they done then talk about PNP this and PNP that. Seriously. And Andrew Holness administration, me no know I be a bud head in there. They don't have no sense. They clueless. They don't know what. It's like they come for us wreck Jamaica, or them literally not have no sense, my wisdom warriors. Something alright. During a debate on the interception of communications, amendment of first schedule, Order 2024 in the Upper House yesterday, Bunting said the Ministry of National Security in 2013 introduced the Stay Alert app, which carried a panic button, which I mentioned before, feature that could be set off whenever someone is in danger. He said the Stay Alert app would have been useful to assist, for example, the teacher who was abducted and her body later found in Clarendon. Peter Bunting said law enforcement personnel would have been able to track her whereabouts once the panic button was triggered. You understand? So you can see that this is working, Them same one come out and was saying the Stay Alert was working. A whole heap of people download it. And from you have a free app, and something like that. If people then we download it for true. Anyway, hear more. Noting that the app was available to the public free of charge, Bunting urged the government to consider the reintroduction of the safety measure to assist Jamaicans who may find themselves in emergency situations and need urgent help. Thank you, Peter Bunting, because them say them are the government, but really and truly, them shouldn't be the opposite. Seriously, and them shouldn't be the opposition. Mighty God. Them little simple things they do not know. But guess what? I want to hear where the one Kamina she officer. She always a come with some but. Even when she know say it is working and used to work for the Jamaican people, she always have this but. So here this a part now. Responding to Bunting's suggestion, leader of government business in the Senate, Kamina Johnson-Smith said the Stay Alert app had deficiencies and there was very little take up of the service. She said it was also discontinued because the cost exceeded the benefits. You hear all them something here? The cost exceeded the benefits. But when you take taxpayer money, you Kamina Johnson, when Andrew Holness take your whole heap of bag of money, I spend on you how much millions, nearly billions I spend on you, but I want you to be Commonwealth General Secretary. You never know. You never know. You never know. So that was costly for the benefit. You never know that. Me tell you, so when it comes to Jamaican people, it's like you not think for the people. You is not for the people. You is not for the people. Seriously. You is not for the people. Mighty God, my wisdom warriors, me no know one more. All the things them do, and we are show it and show it to the people them, and the people them still ignore it. All when them in trouble, remember, no for the labor right then come out and say then we dead for Andrew and Juliet Holness. Yes, then say then we dead for them. So me no know what kind of people them there. They not go dead for them picnic, but them are dead for people who don't even care about them. But me tell us that some of them just, me no know, them crazy, me no know, them pass crazy. Cannot even madman a chat like that. Not even madman. Somebody were mad and sick in their head, now go chat like that. Lord Jesus, my wisdom warriors, I don't know what to say. I do not know. But you see this whole heap of thing where them a come with, they never have nothing put in place for Jamaican people to keep safe. Same thing with the crime. Same thing. Remember say same thing, you know. Remember say crime and violence. This is why we kept saying, come up with a crime plan. And there is no crime plan. See there, even safety. There is nothing them put in place for the safety for the Jamaican people. Me just showing you know, this is why me showing you this, you know, step by step, you know. So now have a more understanding of what is going on. Right now, Peter Bunting want them to reintroduce the Stay Alert app. It is free. Why not use it? Kamina Johnson now come chat about money and cost for benefits. And when Jamaica take up taxpayer money and I pay for she, go be General Secretary for Commonwealth. We know say you never worth it. But them still use the money. It was costly, even though them know say you no win it. It was better Lisa Anna went. Yes, it was better because at least people did already know Lisa Anna as Miss World. So Lisa Anna have more chance. But because of only in a government and through your high collar, then darling high collar now work again. Me tell you know that. It's only the day cost Marky G. You see only the day cost Marky G. Me I tell you no. You see what goes around comes around. Not too enough. When the Jamaica government take up taxpayer money, Kamina Johnson, and say how they want you to be General Secretary for Commonwealth, we know say you never worth it. We know that. We know say it was too costly for the benefits. So we know say you never worth it, madam. But them still go ahead and do it. So why uno still never do the same for the Jamaican people? Me tell you about uno. However, Kamina Johnson, she acknowledged that the Stay Alert app, I want to listen, you know, listen. However, she acknowledged that the Stay Alert app was an absolutely good idea. Wanna hear that? All right. Kamina Johnson, know that the Stay Alert app was a good idea. The government knew that, my wisdom warriors, but because it going to cost them, because it cost them more than the benefits, them decide to remove it. You see what I try to show you? You hear what me? Lord Jesus, me telling you about these people. Me telling you, that's why me say me have to go research this Stay Alert up in my wisdom warriors. She same one said that. I fear her words, not my words. My wisdom warriors, remember me just read the part and tell you now what Kamina Johnson say. Kamina Johnson say, it is too costly for the benefits. And that she say. So they no think that this was a priority. Let us spend the taxpayer money. Even though it is too costly for the benefits. It is an absolutely good idea. And that Kamina Johnson say, you know, she said, however, she acknowledged that the Stay Alert app was an absolutely good idea. And they erase it. They remove it, my wisdom warriors. Me tell you about labor, right? Them now have Jamaica best interest at heart at all. You not talk truth. Because when me come out, you know, and I show up the things them and I talk, people get upset with me. You understand? People get upset with me, but at the truth me I talk. At the truth. You understand? My wisdom warriors. All right. Hear what she continues saying. So she said, it is an absolutely good idea and could be revisited by the Ministry of National Security. She said with greater mobility to respond and increase capacity with a Jamaica Eye, as well as greater digital literacy, the ministry could consider its feasibility. Johnson Smith, who led the debate on the interception of communications order, said it provides for the issuance of warrants for the interception of communications sent by means of the telecommunication networks. All right? When I want you to know this now, when I want to tell Kamina Johnson, sometimes I feel look out of the box, yeah? If you say you have a Jamaican Eye, listen, as I said, you claim say the teacher that go missing, it was an in-drive she take, yeah? An in-drive people take her away, yeah? Remember say you no regulate the service and you never put nothing in place, no regulation in place, yeah? I want to know, say, people can use a car, can put a logo, then can put a logo on the car and make it look like, say, it is in drive, because then can put a logo on it You understand what I mean? And people can't hack the system, my wisdom warriors. So not because you have Jamaica Eye will show you a car and the mark in drive, but it don't necessarily mean, say I really in drive them I work with. Una have to look into things. Una have to look out of the box and use wisdom and common sense in other one here. People can't do that. Maybe people know that she probably always take in drive. Una have to look into things. Maybe them know say she always use in drive. So they just come up with something like that. Una have to think, man. Una have to think ahead. So not because you have Jamaican Eye probably look on a vehicle. And when you look on the vehicle, you have in drive logo on it. But really and truly, in the owner for in drive, yeah, the management team don't know nothing about that person. Because people can't hack the system, and that me I try to show you. So one time, I was saying in my last video about Daryl Vaz, when Daryl Vaz come out and I defend this and I defend that, and I saw you approach things, Daryl Vaz. If the in-drive come out and say, them search them up and nothing never depanish, she never take them taxi. Well, we only do a launch another investigation. Because remember, even though I have Jamaican Eye, remember say I don't control the app. Remember, I don't control the app. So I have to think. My wisdom warriors, boy, I don't know, Jano. So right now, Peter Bunting want the stay alert to be reintroduced. On here, what Kamina Johnson say, on here, what Kamina Johnson say, my wisdom warriors, she say it was an absolutely good idea, because if 18,000 people between 2014 and 2016, 18,000 people download it, it would be more. It would be a lot more by now. But then the government of Jamaica decide to remove it because what? Because it cost them. It cost them. But yet they can take up 400 million. How much million of Jamaican dollar and pay for unoccupied building? You see what me I talk about? This is why me have to cuss out them backside. This is why these are the things that upset me, my wisdom warriors. And you know what? The only thing me can say, when me just see they don't care about Jamaican people. And we need to get these people out. We need to go out and protest to remove Andrew Holness. Andrew Holness must resign. Andrew Holness must resign. Mighty God of Daniel, I do not know. Seriously, I just don't know. But my wisdom warriors, don't tell me what to think. Tell me if you don't agree with Peter Bunting. Because if this was doing so well, which the Labour right them know too, why not keep it and protect the Jamaican people? But you choose not to. You don't protect Jamaican people, you know, because anybody can just roll up and do anything. Look on the plane, we land. I want to let them out on the street. This is showing us that you don't care about nobody, man. You not joker government. Joker government. You not clueless. You need to lift up from out of House of Parliament. Peer hype, hype and brag and boast. Take with money. Thief with taxpayer money and boast pan we and brag pan we. That's all you do. You don't have no sense. My wisdom warriors, you tell me how you feel about this. Tell me what you think about this. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome out. Big up on a nice clean self. Run over to my TikTok and my IG. Follow me. The link I go there in the comment section. Also, you can support my movement. Bless up my PayPal. The link is going to be in the comment section. Guys, I just want to say thank you to all my moderators them. All of my moderators them, on a big up on a nice clean self. My standard moderators them, my managing moderator, Chrissy Hutchinson, big up a nice clean self. Bolo, Natalia, oh my God, so much of them. I try to remember the name. Sharon is new, so let's welcome our new standard moderator, Sharon and Janet Riley. Sharon Bernard and Janet Riley, bless up on a nice clean self. Chrissy Hutchinson, Bolo, Natalia, Pat W, and many more. On a bless up on a nice clean self. I appreciate you guys so much. Thanks again. I just want to say thanks and big up to my subscribers them. Blessings up and blessings up and blessings. One love.